Are you struggling with overdue bills? Today we're diving into effective budgeting strategies, but before we do that, make sure you stick around until the end for a surprising fact about debt. First, let's assess your financial landscape. Prioritize your bills. Essentials come first. Rent, mortgage, utilities and food are non-negotiable. But remember, some bills might have more severe consequences for late payment. For instance, missing a mortgage payment could be more detrimental than a late fee on a credit card. Now, create a spending plan. Cut non-essentials. Negotiate with creditors. They might offer flexible options. Don't be afraid to explain your situation and ask for reduced payments or an extended payment plan. Many creditors are more understanding than you might expect, especially if you've been a good customer in the past. Seek additional income through part-time jobs or other means. Regularly monitor and adjust your budget. It's not a one-time task, but a continuous process. Check your spending weekly and compare it with your budget plan. If you're consistently overspending in one area, look for ways to cut back or adjust other parts of your budget to compensate. Focus on long-term financial health. Build an emergency fund. Now here's that fact we talked about earlier. Being in debt isn't just about money. It's a behavior issue. Often it's not how much you earn, but how you spend and manage what you have. Recognizing and changing unhealthy financial habits can be transformative, paving the way for a more secure financial future. With a little work, you can change your financial habits for the better. Start your journey to financial recovery today.